So you're going to create an energy transfer model using Tinkercad circuits today. You're going to need a battery, a light bulb, you're going to need some wires, and it's going to be your job to light the light bulb. Okay, so that's the job today. So here's what it's going to look like. You're going to go to your Tinkercad, and do not do this until I'm all done, please. Tinkercad.com, and you wait for the login screen. Okay, and that login screen, let's see, I got some Zoom. You'll go to sign in, and you'll sign in with Google. And if you've not done this, it'll ask you some information to get involved. You'll choose your account. And we'll wait for it to spin and look. You're going to see on this, been working with 3D designs. Today you're going to work with circuits. So you'll be clicking on circuits, and you're going to create a new circuit. So create a new circuit there. Okay, this is what it's going to look like. Here's what you're going to need to be able to get these materials. On the left side, there's these components and search. You don't want the basic components. You're going to have to click on it and click all on components. And the first thing you'll do is you'll find the battery, okay? And you'll need this 9-volt battery, and just click it and drag it onto your screen. The second item that you'll need is the light bulb. And you'll need this light bulb, and click it and drag it on your screen. And the idea is the wires that you'll use, you'll see there's these connections here. If you click on it and drag it out, you'll see that there's some wires. And once you get it to where you want it to be, you'll have to click it again to make that connection. And you can change the color of the wires any way that you want. And it might be good in case you use more than one wire today. When you're all ready, when you think you have what it takes to light this light bulb, click Start Simulation. And you'll see the simulator timer go off here. It means it's going off. And you'll also see if it works, that light bulb will turn yellow and light up. So you're going to try a couple of different things to have this light bulb light up today.